So, namaskar and very good afternoon to all of you. We are very happy to be here today in the city of Chennai for the opening of our new dealer outlet. Kankaria family has joined hands with MG Motors to set up this lovely setup on the Mount Road. It gives us immense pleasure that by putting up this outlet, we are getting closer to the customers. We have very aggressive plans for the state of Tamil Nadu, and we are improving our footprints, increasing our footprints in the state of Tamil Nadu. Objective is very clear: to be closer to the customers, to deliver the new generation cars to the customers, both in ICE as well as new energy vehicles, and contribute in terms of whatever way we can to the growth of the economy of the state, as well as for the customers of the state, whatever best we can do. That is our objective. We are a 100-year-old organization, and very recently we formed a joint venture with JSW, and therefore we are very upbeat and very optimistic about the future of automotive industry as a whole in Tamil Nadu, as well as we are very optimistic about our future prospects in this country. As I said that we are going to start introduction of our new models starting from the month of September, October, and you would have heard when we announced the joint venture, we had very categorically said that we will have a new model introduction in the Indian market every 5 to 6 months.
Your focus on EV vehicles.
So probably we are one company which has got, if I look at overall contribution to EV, to the overall volume, we are the highest in terms of penetration there. And we will continue to focus on our new energy vehicles, as I said, going forward also. We are very clear on that because our government has very clear objective to achieve certain percentage of EV sales going forward. And we are also committed to be with the government when it comes to the vision for electrification of the country. And I think as a responsible corporate, it's also important that we contribute in whatever best way we can to bring down the pollution or help in whatever best way we can to improve the environment in general. We have our manufacturing facility in the state of Gujarat, about 40 odd kilometers from Vadodara. There's a place called Halol. So that's the place where we have our manufacturing facility. Thank you very much.